Hello everyone, you are welcome back. This is the Tech Guy, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button here. And if you have hit the subscribe button, kindly hit the like and also give a comment. So today we are going to talk about how to make money online in Ghana without no investment. So maybe I'll be online, like make money online. I better for escaping. They say other networks marketing here they are doing. So I have got two things that I'm about to show you guys, and the first one that I'll be starting with is the Jumia jforce. I'm sure some Jumia there. The people named Jumia is the best online market in Africa. Best online market in Africa. And as you can see, Jumia has a variety of products. They say, baby. I think the cars and quantity. But apart from that, which is a variety of goods. You can make money while shopping at Jumia. You can make money while shopping at Jumia, and you'll be paid monthly via MTN mobile money. And all shopping on is a MTN mobile money. And you'll be something anything. Jumia is 100% trusted. Jumia is 100% trusted. Best online market. My shopping the blue Jumia. My shopping the brave with Jumia. As you can see, there's a lot of shopping at my brave with Jumia. And Nina, I can be brave. Nina Aba. And let's now talk about the jforce. How you are going to earn money while shopping at Jumia. All that you have to do is you just open your browser. And you type in your jforce address. That's the jforce.jumia.com.gh. I will put the link below in the subscription so you can go there and get it. So you just go to the website, into the website. All that you have to do is just sign up. Just sign up. So let me log out in here. All that you have to do is just sign out. So let me guide you guys how you can sign up. So you realize start now. Then you type in your email address. So you type in your email address. Okay. You type in your email address. I'm just going to create an account so that I'll start everything afresh. Oh, come on. Let me use another email address. Okay, so let's say email address. I just created this email for this purpose. Oh, come on. Okay, so create accounts. Then you enter your password. So let's say the password, let's make it the guy 1010. The guy 1010. Okay. So now let's sign up. So you just sign up, and after you have signed up, so you're like, it seems like you're not part of jforce yet, so you're like, join, then sign up. Okay, so in here you can register as an individual, so you have to type in your name. Let's say tech guy, tech guy, date, let's say date of birth, let's make it or whatever. Okay. Then you just type in the phone number, please. About your phone number, no? make sure say the phone number that you type in here no ayo MTN mobile money. Phone number na be one, make sure say MTN mobile money. Yeah, MTN mobile money. MTN mobile money. MTN mobile money. Yeah, I want to make payment in Bia Fanti. Ode, I tell an to go ABA. One we come in, but now still you can receive your permissions and stuff. So kindly use a valid number, valid MTN mobile money number. Yeah. Then gender. So let's say you choose male, city. So whatever. Okay. City, let's say Kumasi. Recruitment channel, and maybe a consultant referral. Okay, ID number. You type in your ID number. No. Then you just sign up. So that's all. And if maybe I'm not your store, yes, some stores you like to make bulk purchase near the other. You hope so, yeah. Bulk purchase and unya large commission. So in here no, I you can sign up as an individual or a store. Individual or a store. So all that you have to do is just go there and sign up. Just go there and sign up. And after that, you'll be sent to this tab. So let me go back and let me log in into my account. I don't do a lot of shopping out there. I don't do a lot of shopping. I say, like buying and selling a lot of products out there. Time to products they exist out there. So, this month the product that I bought was 160 Ghana cedis. No, that was 160 Ghana cedis here, and the commission that I earned on it was 3 cedis 20 pesos. Yeah, 3 cedis 20. But that was that product, and I think last month I bought an item, and that also I make a commission of 4 cedis. Yeah, commission of 4 cedis. So in here now, you realize this commission for this month. So this month I'll be paid 4 cedis inside my time and your but the best thing that I recommend for you guys is when you're signing up to get more and the best deals. When you're signing up to get more and the best deals, you know. And the most exciting part is you can refer people with me. I'm a man for draw anyway, you know. Yeah, the more I will code, you know, the more we sales any commissions no code, and that you are going around from a new level to a different level. I don't know, you commission cost. So the best thing I recommend for you guys is say oko Jumia how ubenya more market yeah. Oko Jumia per items are like discounting more items are push items you say items who are discounting more like a SWAT. So and I say you can check their best of the week's items and yeah items who are SWAT and that these items no maybe are offer now they are 2 stars. So there are 2 status. Yeah, there are 2 status. If they are now they are interested. So if they are interested, all you have to do is just place order, and the delivery address. You just fill it in with their details. Then they make the payment. Then you are done. So you just receive your commission. Yeah, so you can just use this as a part-time job. So there are a large variety of products out there. You can go to categories and just say those be brave, yeah, those be brave, yeah. And I'm telling Jumia for products you move to, yeah, your Jumia stores you buy or Ghana hunting no. We are shopping now. I think that within 3 days now. On second item buy Jumia Global no. Jumia Global near within 3 weeks. 3 weeks per now Saka. Jumia Global just be stores no China, about China money that abroad near you know. Please can note Corona affected shipping of Jumia Global and Corona never and still we are shopping now still 3 weeks nana and some Ebekano. The best thing is Jumia Global and items near for saying other Jumia stores near items near air for pan. So in the Jumia Global in there you can go and then as a ultimate I can do I to save in a safe for. So you can use these products and you just get their images, make it be aware, you make a screenshot of this, then you make it as your start. Yeah, then if anybody is interested, you just place the order for them, then you would be receiving your commission day on end. You get paid every month. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you have any question, you can just put it, or if you have any suggestion, you can just put it in the comment box, and I'll be coming back with the part 2. This is the part 1. Yeah, so this is how to make money with Jumia jforce app with Jumia. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Yeah, kindly hit the subscribe button. Yeah, hit the subscribe button. Kindly hit the subscribe button. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, please, and the like button, share, and the comment, and let's help a friend. So bye, and see you on the part 2.